Today's ride is going to take us to the Great Falls in Paterson, New Jersey. Stay tuned. Hi everybody, my name is Steve. Welcome to Motorcycle Vision. Today, we're taking a ride to the Great Falls of Paterson. This is my first time attaching a GPS to my bike because I've never been there before. And the sun is right on that GPS. So it's got a glare on it and I can't see what it's telling me.
After 1/4 mile, turn left.
There you go, that's my friend the GPS. The Great Falls are on the Passaic River waterway. They're located in Paterson, New Jersey. I'm thinking that after our last ride to Times Square, followed by our ride to George Washington Bridge, how hard could it be to get to a waterfall a couple of miles away, right? So back to the Great Falls. They're actually 77 feet high and it's 260 feet wide. Over 2 billion gallons of water go over the falls every day. By volume, it's the second largest waterfall east of the Mississippi. It's only second to Niagara Falls. During the American Revolution, Alexander Hamilton, yes, that Hamilton, visited the Great Falls with George Washington. In 1791, Hamilton returned to plan America's first industrial city, Paterson. These falls have powered manufacturing plants in Paterson for over 200 years. In 1976, the then President Gerald Ford designated the Great Falls a historic landmark, and he personally attended the landmark ceremony. I think the car in front of us is on fire. I mean, that's... holy mackerel. I think what we're going to do is pull over or something before we get killed here. What is happening here? Okay, he's turned off. That's really good for me, because damn, what happened there? Well, not sure where we are, but it looks like it's taken us into downtown Paterson. So that part of it's probably right. Oh, another McDonald's! Yes! My video record is still complete. I found another McDonald's. Okay, honest to goodness, I honestly believe these people should sponsor me at this point. I know I said in my Times Square video they don't sponsor me, and they don't. But damn, people, you should. Is this guy dragging a refrigerator? It's an air conditioner. That thing's not going to work when he gets home. Well, we're just about here, so what I'm going to do now is show you some footage of the falls, give you some music. Enjoy.